Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Temu affiliate link. Want to earn money by sharing your favorite products on Temu? Here's how to get your Temu affiliate link. The first thing is you have to sign up for the affiliate program. And to do that, just go to the Temu website and scroll to the footer section. After that, click on the affiliate program or search for it on their homepage and fill out the application form with your details, including your social media or website information, and submit it for approval. The second thing you're gonna do is to access your dashboard. Now once approved, you'll gain access to the affiliate dashboard. There you can track your earnings, clicks and conversions. Third thing is to generate your affiliate link. And to do that, just browse through Temu's product catalog or promotional material in the dashboard and use the generate link tool to create a unique link for the specific product or pages. After that, for the final step is to share your affiliate link. And to do that, just post the link on your social media profile, blogs or YouTube videos and encourage your audience to click and make purchases. Make sure you focus on products relevant to your audience to increase conversion rates and use the Temu promotional banners and ads and make your posts more engaging. And monitor also your performance in the dashboard and optimize your strategy based on what works best. These were some information that you can do in your computer using the Temu website. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.